And now you have to do the soling for the tie beam. Soling for the tie beam will I'll take 4 days, and PCC for the tie beam also 4 days. So normally soling and PCC they are done in equal times. So brick masonry work, it will take a long time because you have to make a 9-inch brick wall in all the lines. What I exactly mean over here is that so this is one footing. I'll just zoom into this image over here. Okay, so this is one footing over here, and this is another footing. And once you are done concreting this whole volume and this whole volume, so next thing that you do soling from here to here. This line you have to do the soling, and after that you do the PCC, right? And after that you make a brick wall. Brick wall, how? So this, I'll draw the section, and let me just show you. So I'll just draw the longitudinal section to show what I actually mean. So this is your ground over here. Okay, so this is one footing, right? One footing resting on the ground, and this is my another footing that is resting on the ground. So this level is same, but here it says this level is same. Okay, so what you do is that next thing that you do the stone soling at this portion. After that you do the PCC 200 mm stone soling, and let's say 75 mm PCC, and after that you do the brick wall. Let's say that this is your tie beam level. This over here is your tie beam level. From the top of the tie beam up to top of this ground, it's 1.5 mm. Let's say that depth of the tie beam is 300 mm. Then you know this level, right? You can just subtract it. And once you have this level, you have to construct a brick wall up to this level, like this whole on this footing as well. You have to do the brickwork. Okay, once you do the brickwork, and you have to lay the reinforcement of the beam, the longitudinal reinforcement of the beam here, like this, and the top reinforcement also. Then you put the formwork and you do the concreting of the tie beam. So this is what I have listed over here. So brick masonry work, so you have to do for this for all the lines that are shown on the footing. So brick masonry work, it will take a long time, so I'll take 16 days. And reinforcement for the tie beams, yes, for putting the rebars of the beam, it takes time, and I'll take 18 days. And formworks, I'll take a week. And concreting works, it doesn't take much, so I'll take 5 days. And soil backfilling, you have to do with the you can do this with an excavator, and it will just take 2 days. All right guys, so what we have done so far is that we have listed all the tasks, and we have also created a summary task and the subtasks, and we have also assigned the duration for those tasks.